She kept going. I'm like, wait, this one we have to say something to her because we can't keep letting her pull it up.
Yeah.
So then when she asked her, she said that she'll speak to homeless with a $25 check and she got me on the card. So and I'm like, ma'am, if you pay on the check, I can't take a check for that amount. She was like, I never said that. I'm paying with cash.
I don't know why, but I have a feeling Apple Pay is not going to work. That's just my professional opinion.
So, Officer Aria, what's up? Caller, I'm on the way. Here I go.
Get popped.
More. I can't wait to get locked up.
I'll grab it.
Military again. Just 7:30 official, bitch. I'm crazy.
All right, man, let's go.
Marie Cakes with an S85 on Snapchat, 6,000 subscribers. This is how we do it on Sunday and night. Free chicken for everyone. Oh, hey guys, I'm leaving right now. But after I pay for the food, of course.
You gonna pay for the food?
Yeah, but they won't charge my phone and I only have Apple Pay because the other one's at 185 to solve it. You guys see this, remember?
No.
No?
There's 1,000 of us.
Oh, are you the ones like Colonial when I bad boy signed that?
No.
Okay, but what I told them is that I was paying for this with Apple Pay and I didn't know my phone was dead. And I have the money to pay for it. And they were like, I hate broke, fat ass white bitches. And they were harassing me. It's all over the surveillance. I promise you on God. And then this one right here with the bigger glasses, said she's telling me to
So, ma'am, you're saying you need your phone charge right now to pay? Is that what you're telling us?
So if we charge your phone, you're going to pay? What kind of phone do you got?
Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max 256 17th edition.
You guys have a phone charger?
Mega is 600.
You can buy the block this triple C for me, and then I'll trade you some soup for it. Which one are you buying for me?
I'm not buying anything for you.
Oh, I get to buy the charger and then...
No, you get no. I
No.
think they have a charger.
We're going to loan you a charger temporarily to charge your phone, hopefully.
They said no. They said you're going to 33rd, bitch. And I was like, what? How do you know about 33rd? Did I see you in there? And she's like, yeah, catch me outside, bitch. And I was like, what?
Okay, alright. So,
yeah.
we use the charger back then?
Taker? What does taker mean? I'm gonna pay for it. You can't take me to 33rd.
The product without paying for it.
No, I did not.
We have to give her an opportunity to play.
We got to try. Otherwise, that's not going to fly with the state attorney.
We have to give her an opportunity.
Finance shit all the time. That's why I got a class action lawsuit against them already.
I have a feeling it's not going to end up working out. So, but we got to try.
Ah, pull up. Why is she taking my phone? Why is she
How are you supposed to charge
I
it?
don't want her to touch. She said there's no way to charge it. I want her.
So we're
I don't want her
hold on,
DNA on my phone.
hold
What am I
on.
gonna do if I have her DNA on my phone and she steals the phone from me and I walk out right now
Hold on, man.
and she goes 33rd for life?
Ma'am, you said that you want to get your phone charged so you can pay for the
Yeah,
stuff
but
you
she
just ate.
said she lied to you on camera on your access and said there's no charges. Then she said there is. It's called.
Do you have an ID or driver's license on you so we can know
No,
who we're talking to?
185 George DeSalvia away and I never got it back.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much does she owe?
The chips do?
$3. All of that.
She opened every single one of these?
She put her hand in every single one of these boxes.
I mean, like-
Oh, that she opened that.
All these open?
Some of them are not. I'll tell you what, the ones that are not open, let's just get rid of them. The ones that she has opened and touched something, we'll just get charged for those.
What's your first name?
It's a YouTuber and it's
What's your first name?
T.Y. Dasty. T.Y. Dasty.
How many more things of soup? How many things of soup total?
She get
I think it's going to be like 8 things of soup.
What's your date of birth, Dynasty Robertson?
It's 2/1946.
Ma'am, just confirm, we do have the money on your account to pay for
I
it.
sure do. Yes.
Okay.
But I can't see it right now until the charge comes up.
Okay,
See what I'm saying?
it
How much
looks,
is it?
hold on, it looks like it's probably gonna be over $100.
Oh, over $100.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Okay, as long as you got $100, that's fine.
Yeah, but they were acting like it was gonna be $500,000. Like
No, I don't think the bills generally go up that high in the store.
They never told me so when they harassed me until you guys got here. After I said I was gonna pay, and then did not for me charge until you
So
got here.
Roberson, Roberson.
That's correct.
Where are you from?
I'm from the kingdom.
What state is that?
Guyana. Guyana.
How long have you been in the United States?
I can be deported at any time, so I've only been here for about 2 weeks.
You've been in the United States for 2 weeks from Guyana.
That's correct. Any more questions?
You don't have an accent. That's interesting.
Wow, isn't that how it is the way? Too?
Usually that's not how that goes.
Oh, really? You've been to Guyana before?
No, but I know Guyanese people.
Oh, you know Guyanese people, but you have
Yep.
not been to Guyana.
I have not been to Guyana.
That's rich. Just like you. See, they always do this. That's why I'm trespassed off like 90% of Orlando, because they always think that I'm not going to pay for stuff. Do I look like a broke bitch to you? Like, you know what I mean?
So what year did you say you were born?
And would you like to pause, rewind, and then play again? Because this is all recorded on your Axon, where I went.
So you said 1946, I believe.
Yeah, so I asked.
So, because I don't think that's accurate, because that would put you at like 70 years old.
No, it put me at 77, actually.
Okay, are you 77 years old?
That's why I have silver hair, see? You think a 21-year-old would have silver hair like this is natural.
Oh, you look great for your age.
Oh, thank you so much.
The whole counter was filled with soup hooks.
She was just ladling it out.
Yeah. She kept going. I'm like, well, at this point, we have to say something to her because we can't keep letting her fill it up.
Yeah.
So then when she asked her, she said that she was feeding the homeless with a $25 check and she got me on the card. So and I'm like, ma'am, if you pay on the check, I can't take a check for that amount. She was like, I never said that. I'm paying with cash.
I don't know why, but I have a feeling Apple Pay is not going to work. That's just my professional opinion.
Then she just started, oh, if I touched it, you can't sell it. And just open every box.
So the other boxes we just ran out.
So, okay, so she consumed something out of each one of these boxes, though, correct? Okay.
Yes, they are.
Is it turned on? There you go.
Just know how to pay for it.
All right. We got just enough juice. Let's pull up this Apple Pay.
What happened? It came up?
Yeah.
I told you I have Apple Pay.
Well, no,
Do they have it rung up?
thing charged up.
Come on, let's go. Let's back up here. We're going to pay.
Okay.
If you want to go to one of these fine individuals, and I'm pretty sure they can ring you out, and we'll even get you the food since you technically paid for it now. So you can
Technically. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, turn it. No, other way. No, keep going. No, other way.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Are you able to walk, ma'am?
No, that's fine. I'm okay.
How did you make it into the store?
I barely did with the cane. Well, discrimination.
All right. Now, no. Go that. No, other way.
Where's the mirror? It's gonna die. They just follow me every goddamn way. Oh my god. What did you do?
Which one are we gonna be at?
Now she's starting to sound like a...
Right here.
Right here?
Right there.
Yeah. 192.65. Is that what you said? You said 192.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said.
All right, let's try and see. Which part? I'm gonna need the one clear.
Deli department, line 100, deli 100, forklift.
So if you're having trouble, you got.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Hold on. Please wait.
Not authorized.
Oh my goodness. Let's try another one. Don't worry. Don't worry.
If you want to use a combination, that's also allowed.
Is it okay if I phone a friend real quick? My banker to send you to Zelle? Is that okay?
What you got to do?
All right, I like that. Here, we can also add. Send a request.
I'm going to go get the
I will
Don't
let you know.
Yeah, if it goes another direction, just let me know.
Tell you what, you want us to do the paperwork, and I'll stand by.
Statement?
But you guys always do this shit. That's how you're getting sued too.
You want to tell the next person in line?
And then the funny thing is, I would like not pay for it, and they would still keep all the food, and you wouldn't give me the food, so they win.
No, actually, if you pay for it, it is yours right
What
now.
I said is, if for some reason,
But right now, they're doubting that you have the ability
what I
to pay
said
for it.
was, if it doesn't go through for some reason, they get cheaper food and charge me. That's what they do all the time. They did a KFC the other night. They did Uber all the time. I have class action lawsuits all over the city, and I know more OPD than you know OPD, and you know this name.
All right. Who wants to write the statement?
I'll tell you this. She got to write better than me.
How about we try another card, because I don't think that one's going to work
Well,
today.
this is not your card, so you won't know how many times you have to swipe it until it actually works. It's part of the, what's it called? That encryption that I built into it because I do cybersecurity. Okay? So I know once I hit 17, it's about to. Right now, the codes are
When you hit 17 times, it'll accept.
Total victory to the Bible alone.
Well,
Yeah.
can't argue with that.
Not operating. There we go.
What size is she for?
Oh,
There we
approved.
go. Approved. Wow. How about that?
Oh, so that took $50 off?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Well, now we can get another 142.
We'll try the Apple Pay again now. If it's less, maybe the Apple Pay will take a little more.
I think that card's going to be depleted, so we can try another card.
No, people are live right now, so there's live adding stuff to my Cash App. That's why it's going to say not authorized when I hit 17, since they're watching me live and on your Axons, because you guys are partners too, obviously. So card got valid for trade. Let's see what we've got first. Here.
No, you cannot hold on to this thing. Where are they going?
All right, that one doesn't work. We had one card with $50, and we had another card for $4.
Really?
So we're getting there.
We're getting there.
The Medicaid card? All right, let's skip the Medicaid card.
Yeah, so that's the
Let's try the
souls won't work.
Social Security card that I don't have. It should have something in there. Shit. It should be.
No cash back.
Oh, yeah, there's no way you can get it out of this one anyway.
I mean, the other one seemed like it was working a little bit.
Not over that.
That's not a price.
No, she's got cash back.
No cash back.
Oh gosh.
Not a price.
Oh.
Let's try 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Let's try it one more time.
Oh, 2 rides ago.
Oh, really?
You guys working on?
Yeah.
If you need to make a phone call and go do that, we got no problem, but we have to figure this out within a pretty short amount of time right now.
Okay, no problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Man, I'm just going, no, I just found out how to pay it off because I have another card on here. So I'm clearing this for $1,300 right now.
I'm ready for you to wow me.
And then once I do that, then I'm going to go buy a bunch of food and see what we'll grab on it as well. Okay?
Now let's pay for this food and we can be done for the
And
day.
would you like some? Because I'm just
No, I
going to
don't.
go outside and if you accidentally pick it up, free food for you.
Nope.
Whoa.
Once you buy it, it's all yours.
I know, it's yours too. Here's a percentage. Sorry, again.
Ma'am, do you have any checks on you?
I don't use checks. Do you use checks? How's that? That's like an each.
I know, but idiots use checks.
Yeah, that's a weird question.
Hi, welcome in.
This is my car.
Can 600 degree on emergency north, I'll transfer the
She's requesting an ambulance now.
Call me on the she said it's 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 8.
Was that? Oh, yeah.
Because of federales.
We have to federals.
I guess we'll get a misuse as well.
All
All right, that'll be enough.
we've satisfied this now.
Oh,
I know. All right,
Stand up. We know you
stand up.
I can't. No, you can't do this to me. Let me get my cane at least, please.
Your cane's gonna come with you.
Come on,
But we'll help you. We will be your cane.
You won't let me use my cane? ABA.
Ma'am.
Let's go.
Okay, all right.
Stand
All right.
One foot in front of the other.
Just give me a second. I gotta get off this so my ass is so fat.
Let's go.
Oh, you have this. Oh. How did they do that? Oh, no. The
Left foot
federal
first.
is 911, 911, after 911, call 411.
Is there an emergency shuttle for this?
1-800 no phone. I'm going to 33rd. Who's got my bail money on deck? It's for 137.93, and they took off 50, and they're going to keep all the money, and you're going to get free food.
We'll get
and
your
all my credit
stuff.
cards in my iPhone, because this is how it goes. And Latoya and Portia, thank you very much for making yourself viral, because you bitches get fired for real, for real. Tell Officer Ariel what's up. Call her. I'm on the way.
Get popped.
More. I can't wait to get locked up.
I'll grab it.
Military again. Just on 7:30 official, bitch. I'm crazy.
All right, man, let's go.
Marie Cakes with an S85 on Snapchat. 6,000 subscribers and counting. Suck by dick.
Man, come on. There's kids in here.
I don't care. F them kids.
Okay.
Hide your kids. Hide your wives. This is what we call. This is how we do it on Sunday night. Free chicken for everyone.
Here, 1 second, sir.
4, 2, write it down. We do this crazy shit again. Somebody record, write it down. That's my mom. She never showed up today like she's supposed to. And they're putting this crazy shit. They're gonna taser me and everything and put me in the.
No, we aren't getting cuffs. They don't like it when we do
like
that.
they did last time. $30,000 right now.
Alright, so look inside the car with me, right?
So I can vomit some out my cream. MONCRIEF. My cream. Tell them I'm on my way. My cream. MONCRIEF. Call her. I'll break you up. I'll bud you out.
Almost there.
Give me a second.
Came back there? Okay. Thanks, sir.
I'll try to get it. Please put the windows down. I'm having hot flashes.
Okay.
Would like the windows down because this is having hot flashes.
Okay. Thanks, gents.
Scene secure. Hi, welcome to Orlando.